Today I'd like to review the difference between the glycemic index and the glycemic load, and how to use the glycemic load to evaluate the potential effect a meal could have on your blood sugar. In my blog and video Glycemic Index Explained, we learned that the glycemic index provides a ranked list of carb-based foods where a high score indicates that the food causes a spike in your blood sugar, which we want to avoid. While the GI assigns the numeric rank to a carb-based food, the glycemic load gives you a better measure for how the food could affect your blood sugar upon consumption, as it also considers the amount of the carb you're having. The worst case is a high GI carb and a big portion. To calculate the glycemic load for a serving of food, we need to know the amount of carbs in the serving and the GI score. The glycemic load is calculated as follows. We take the number of carbs multiplied by the GI score and divide the result by 100. Now here's a range to compare your glycemic load score to see where it falls. Anything above the high-end range of 20 will cause a blood sugar spike, so a GL score above this range is expected to cause a spike in your blood sugar upon consumption. Anything below 20 is acceptable. Now let's take a look at a popular refreshing summer fruit, watermelon. We see that even though watermelon is a fruit with one of the highest GI scores, the GL is actually low for a 1-cup serving. However, from past experience at summer picnics, you know it's hard to eat just 1 cup. Let's say you have the equivalent of 3 cups. Then the GL load jumps to 25, which could result in a blood sugar spike. Let's look at some of my favorite breakfasts, oatmeal with blueberries and walnuts. The GL here is just below 20, so this is one meal that I'm close to going over the high end for GL measurement. Let's take a look at some of my common dinner sides I have with chicken and salmon. My dinner sides are all in the low or medium range, which is consistent with my strategy to try to eat lower carbs near the end of the day. Now let's look at a portion sensitivity analysis for beans. Oh, I love to say that. For a half-cup serving of beans, we're okay, staying in the medium GL range. However, if we increase the portion size to a 3/4 cup, the GL pops into the high-end range of 25. This demonstrates that portion size is not only just important for calorie counting, but also for measuring your carb intake and the relative effect on your blood sugar. What I believe really helped me meet my weight loss goals and get a six-pack was keeping the GL low for my evening meals. I believe if you pay attention to what your carbs GI scores are and monitor the GL for your meals, you can better manage your carb intake for successful weight loss. So take it from me, don't give up your carbs, just manage how you eat them and you'll enjoy your diet and lose weight. No need to suffer, people. Now I hope this information was useful to you as you strategize ways to improve your diet.